Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use AutoPitch, Auto-Tune in BandLab. AutoPitch in BandLab is a built-in pitch correction tool that helps adjust vocals to the correct musical key. It can be used subtly to small fixes, pitch issues, or more strongly to create a popular auto-tune effect heard in the modern music. So first you need to open any of the web browser. After that, on the top you can find to this address bar, type down bandlab.com and enter it, and make sure to log into your account if you already have not. So you can either create in the top right corner, as I'm going to select to the draft project here, and after that you can go to the studio, and over here what you can do is you can also find the previous clip under here, and after that you can find to the clip that you have recorded before and simply double click onto it. And in the bottom left we could find this auto pitch here. Click onto this auto pitch, and you can also select to this category under this auto pitch here. You can select the hip hop, hyper pop, science fiction. You can also select to the scale as well. If you want to select to this auto detect, you can do that as well. And over here on the right hand side you can change to the volume. Over here you can select to this pan or the reverb, and after you're done editing to this auto pitch, in the top right corner we can find to this save or publish. You can select to this save or publish as per your preferences as well. And that is it. This is how you can use the auto pitch. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.